Woodruff Hunter here. So today I'll be talking about something a little different. Firewood, chainsaws, something that I know very little of. But when I went to go buy a new chain for my chainsaw, I did learn something. Now, I bought this chainsaw some time ago. It's done really well for me so far. And this is the original chain that came with it. And the guy, when I went to buy a chain for it, he told me that he calls these skip chain. Don't know if there's an actual word for it, but see how you have the one cutter here and you have two links and then another cutter. Yeah. Well, this is the chain that he sold me, and you can see there's a cutter, a link, a cutter, a link, a cutter, all the way down. So you're kind of getting ripped off on cutter blades there. Just thought you should know what's out there. So these are ash trees, and they were dying. They got the ash borer disease, if you're familiar with it. If you're not, so you can see all the little holes in the bark there and there, and those ash borers, they go into the bark, and then they get in behind the bark. See these little trails all over in there. That's what they leave, and then the bark falls off and the tree dies.